So we're going to start with doing the background. So I've just picked green, grey and greyish blue from the Kuretake range, and I've got a large flat brush. I'm literally just slapping that paint on, not worrying too much about it, just layering it to make it look sort of like underwater. And then I'm going back once the paint has dried, my first layer, just coming down. I've got a round brush now, maybe a size 9, size 10. I'm just dragging that paint down the page. When you've done that, then you'll need to let your paint dry. Once it's dry, then go back to your original colour, but you want a thick layer of paint on now. So I've got a sort of medium-sized round brush. I'm just making these little leaves. So a little plant that I'm making here, just colouring in and completing that. Once that's finished, then I'm going to make some little bubbles, all different kind of shapes. So here I've got like these loop bubbles, and then I'm going to put some dots here and there. So just be really random, put whatever you think would look good for you. Don't worry too much about it, just get the paint on. You'll need to let your paint dry, and once it's dry, then grab some white paint pens and just outline your lovely little plant. And once you've done that, then you're going to be moving on and concentrating on some of the bubbles. So I'm using a mixture of a gold gel pen, the white Posca paint pen, and also a black fine liner. So just making some little lines, some little circles, just randomly round those little bubble shapes. Using the gold gel pen to add some detail to the leaves. So you're just layering on top of your watercolour paint, just building up a picture slowly, just adding the details that you want to add. Adding some little tiny dots on these little marks here and little circles to go round there. And then I'm just going to add some more round white shapes that mirror the darker shapes, and adding some gold dots inside of those. Outlining the leaves with the gold gel pen, so the plant is encased in gold, and then just adding some little details here and there. As you can see, this is so easy to do, and I hope you get to try this. I hope you like this. If you like this, maybe you'll consider liking and subscribing, or maybe you'll leave me a comment. Let me know how you get on, whether you like it, what you would do, what would you change, what colours would you use. Would love to hear from you, and I'll come straight back to you. Adding some little chains to the picture just to add a little bit more interest, using the gold gel pen here, and then moving on to the white Posca pen. You can put these anywhere on your page. They just draw your eye when you're looking at the page, just gives it a little bit more interest and makes your eye wander around the page to have a look at all those details. adding some little gold bubbles here and there. Just think that looks really nice on the lighter colour of the watercolour page. And then I'm outlining the leaves on the plant because I thought, well, you couldn't really see it very well, and I wanted to make it pop a bit. So it just offers a little bit of shading if you put a black fine liner around whatever it is that you've painted. Just makes it pop out a little bit better. I think that's worked. I think that's given it a bit more of a 3D kind of effect. I don't know, what do you think? Do you think that's worked, or do you think I should have left that? Would love to hear. Okay, so just adding some more details with a black fine liner, outlining some other pieces on there to make them pop a little bit. To be honest, I could just fill this page with doodles, you know. I have to really think to myself, no, that's it now, stop. Otherwise you'll just have a page full of doodles, so it's really quite difficult. I don't know about you, but once I'm in that zone, I just don't want to stop. I just want to carry on. I'm just enjoying myself so much. It's so much fun. So yeah, really struggling to know where to stop here. Outlining some of the bubbles and just adding that little bit more detail here and there. So I think it's time that I stopped, because I'm going to carry on. I'm going to end up ruining this. So I've decided to just stop here and outline the page to have a look and see what it looks like, and peeling it away. I think it's worked quite well. I don't know, what do you think? Do you think it's any good? Is it something you'll try? Very easy to do, as you could see, you know, it's not hard. But thanks for watching. It's been great fun, and see you soon.